guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ashir Technical, where you will learn knowledge about many techs and you will find very knowledgeable tech tutorials in our channel. So I hope you will like tech tutorials and you will support ourselves. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, your destination for all things sound related. Today, we are diving into the world of headphones, helping you discover the perfect pair. The world of headphones, helping you discover the perfect pair for your unique listening preferences. Today, everyone is using headphone in public areas and in many areas. Let's start with headphone types. There are over ear, on ear, and in ear headphones. Over ear headphones provide excellent sound isolation. On ear headphones offer a balance of comfort and portability, and in ear headphones are compact and ideal for on the go use. These are headphone types, so you can choose headphone for your need for your basics on yourself. I will suggest you to use over ear headphones because over ear headphones provide you sound isolation and many more things. So basically, in selecting headphones, the main thing is sound quality. So I will talk about sound quality in detail. Sound quality is paramount. Look for headphones with a broad frequency response and low distortion for a clear and accurate representation of your favorite tunes. Brands like Sennheiser, Sony, and Audio Technica are renowned for their audio fidelity. These two companies have the best headphones. They make best quality, best sound providing headphones, and I will personally suggest you to choose Sony because Sony is a very good company for sound related things like headphones, speakers, and they're also good for cameras. Consider the type of drivers used in the headphones. Dynamic drivers are common and deliver powerful dynamic sound, while planar magnetic and electrostatic drivers are known for their precision and clarity. Wired or wireless. Wireless. Basically, in headphones, you have two types: wired and wireless. You can use on your own which type you like. Bluetooth headphones offer freedom of movement, while wired headphones can provide higher quality audio. Some high-end wireless options like those with aptX or LDAC support aim to bridge the gap between wired and wireless audio fidelity. Noise cancellation has become a game changer for many. Active noise cancellation ANC technology reduce ambient noise, creating a more immersive listening experience. Look for headphones with customizable ANC settings to suit different environments. Comfort is key for long listening sessions. Check for adjustable headbands, padded cushions, and lightweight designs. Brands like Bose and Bearden, Biodynamic are known for their emphasis on comfort without compromising on sound quality. Battery life is crucial for wireless headphones. Consider your typical usage patterns and choose headphones that can keep with your on the go lifestyle. Um, in conclusion, finding the ideal headphones involves considering type, sound quality, driver type, wired vs wireless, noise cancellation, comfort, battery life, open back versus closed back. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe our YouTube channel, Hashir Technical. I hope you will find this video very